plus 11. Now we are talking about the order of magnitude. So what is the order of magnitude? The order of magnitude of a physical quantity is that the power of 10 which is closest to its magnitude. The power of 10 which is closest to its magnitude. It gives the idea about how big or how small of given physical quantities. So to determine the order of magnitude of number n, suppose the given number is n. So it is a magnitude. It is given magnitude is n. We express it as n equals to small letter n into 10 to the power x. So what do you mean by order of magnitude? So this n is close to magnitude. Close to magnitude. And this x is the order. Suppose if you have 8, so 8 can be written as in terms of order. It is 0.8 into 10 to the power 1. Now here it is, order is 1. Suppose if we have 25, so 25 can be written as 0.25 into 10 to the power 2. So here order is 2. Similarly, we can consider 555. So 0.555 into 10 to the power 3. Here order is 3. Okay, order means simply the power of 10. Order of magnitude is simply the power of 10. So power of 10 is the order of magnitude. Example, the question. Suppose the question is write the order of magnitude of the following measurement. So it is 2571000 meter and it is 0.0000021 kg. So for number 1, so 2571000, it can be written as in terms of order of magnitude. So first count the numbers from right hand side to least significant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. This is in meter. So it can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is 2.571 into 10 to the power 7 meter. So here it is least significant. So order of magnitude is magnitude equals to 7. For number 2, the measuring quantity is 0.0001231234521 kg can be written as. Now here is point. Now count the numbers from left hand side. Here it is count the numbers from right hand side. Here it is the count the number from left hand side. Why? Because in this question, in this physical quantity, point is here. So in this physical quantity, point is in the beginning. So we'll count the numbers from left hand side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So least significant, that is 2.1 into 10 to the power minus 6. kg. So we can say that order of magnitude equals to -6. For this, it may be order 10 to the power 8. It may be the order of 8. How? 2, 5, 7, 1. This equals to, now count the numbers from right hand side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is 0.2571 into 10 to the power 8 meter. So here it is order 8. For this, so this can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, only 5. This is 0.21 into 10 to the power -5 kg. In this case, the order is -5. Here it is 8. मतलब we can do it in two ways, either in least significant or in decimal. Okay, in least significant the order is 7, in decimal the order is 8. Here in least significant the order is -6, in decimal the order is -5. Okay, next topic is measurement of length by direct method. Measurement of length by direct method. So there are three measurements. One measurement is from 10 to the power -3 meter to 10 to the power 2 meter, and this is to an accuracy of 10 to the power -4 meter, and this is to an accuracy of 10 to the power -5 meter. So there are three measurements given. So what do you mean by length? So length, what is the definition of length? So length, it may be defined as the distance of separation between 2 points in space is called length. Distance of separation between 2 points in space is called length. So 10 to the power -3 meter to 10 to the power 2 meters can be measured by meter scale. So 1 meter scale is equals to 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter equals to 1 by 100 meter. So 1 centimeter is 10 to the power -2 meter. Because the 100 is 10 square. So 10 to the power -2 meter. So it can be 10 to the power -3 meter to 10 to the power 2 meter can be measured with the help of meter scale. So 10 to the power -3 meter is 1 millimeter. 10 to the power -3 meter is 1 millimeter. So 1 millimeter, 10 millimeter equals to 1 centimeter. So 1 millimeter equals to 1 by 10 centimeter. Now, so 1 millimeter is 1 by 10. So in meter scale there are thousands millimeters. In meter scale there are how many millimeters? There are thousands millimeters. So 1000 millimeters makes 1 meter. So 1000 millimeter means 10 to the power -3 meter. Now 10 to the power 1000 millimeter means 1 meter. So 1 millimeter means 1 by 1000 meter. So 1 millimeter equals to 10 to the power -3 meter. So 1 millimeter is 10 to the power minus 3 meter. So it can be measured with the help of meter scale. Similarly, vernier calipers to accuracy and of 10 to the power minus 4 meter. Now 10 to the power minus 4 meter can be measured with the help of vernier caliper. Vernier calipers, and to an accuracy of 10 to the power minus 5 meter can be measured with the help of screw gauge or spirometer. Okay, this is the direct method for measurement of length. So next is indirect method. We will discuss on next class. This much for today. Thank you.